This video is to help you learn or review 3 different ways to compare 2 things in Japanese. And I'll be using tennis and soccer in every example. The first way, yori, goes like this. Tennisu wa saka yori tanoshii desu. This is saying tennis is more fun than soccer. I want you to notice that tennis in both Japanese and English is the subject, and in this case, the topic of the sentence. So the basic sentence is tennisu wa tanoshii desu. And we're just comparing it, and we're adding the yori to say that more than soccer. So tennisu wa saka yori tanoshii desu. Notice the particle wa here. If we want to say, I like tennis more than soccer, notice that the subject of the sentence changes. This is also the topic of the sentence. It's the same in Japanese. In Japanese, the topic of the sentence, if it's already known, is not always said, so that's why this is in parentheses here. So this says, Watashi wa tennisu ga saka yori suki desu. So notice the change in particle here is ga because we're using suki desu. The saka yori stays the same. Another way to compare 2 things is using onaji. Onaji means same. Onaji kurai means about the same. Tennisu wa saka to onaji kurai tanoshii desu. Again, here the topic is tennis in both Japanese and English. So we're saying tennis is as fun as soccer. Notice the particle to is used. If we want to say, I like tennis as much as soccer, again, in both languages, the subject changes from tennis to I. So, watashi wa, or just tennisu ga saka to onaji kurai suki desu. A third way to compare 2 things in Japanese is using hodo. Saka wa tennisu hodo tanoshiku nai desu. This also has a different form. You can also use tanoshiku arimasen if you're more familiar with that. Tanoshiku nai desu is more common in speaking situations. And this sentence means soccer is not as fun as tennis. I want you to notice here that the not is the negative, and it shows up both in English and in Japanese. If we want to say, I don't like soccer as much as tennis, same thing. We would begin with I would be the topic, watashi wa saka ga. So notice this changes from wa to ga. Tennisu hodo suki janai desu, or suki ja arimasen. So those are the 3 ways that you've learned in your course to compare 2 different things in Japanese.